All right, good evening, race fans. Scooter's Garage, sgr-performance, coming at you live from the shop. And we're going to give you a quick update. We've had Burfa the Battle Wagon, our fabled shop truck, in for quite some time. Yes, she's still running, everybody. 440 now, almost 450,000, and still going. That's not the point. We pulled Burfa in to catch up on some much-needed maintenance and some things to make her more usable and more livable. After 24 years, let's see, 2001, well, it's going to be 2025, so 24 years, the original power window motors from the factory finally went out, and they've been out a while. So we've been catching up on things like that, some switches, little things, little knickknacks, just to make her a little more comfortable, a little more usable. And we opted to go with power window motors, and usually on these GM trucks, on the Silverados and everything, it's advisable to do the regulator and everything, because getting the cable tension and getting everything adjusted just right is kind of a pain, actually. So anyway, let's turn the camera around. All right, as you can see, we got the new motor in. We've got the regulator lined up. We've got everything. And let's see if I got some light here. So if you can see up in there, you always want to make sure when you get your regulator back in that you get the window on track. And don't forget, as you're replacing this thing, to put some tape on the window, hold the window up, so as you're maneuvering around, your window doesn't come crashing down and you break your window. So anyway, we've got it all bolted back together. We've got everything in there. So you guys are going to find out, just like we are for the first time, did we get it right? Let's put a little power to it. We got the switch hooked up, and here we go. All right, so it went down. And it went back up. So if you notice that weird little noise in there, it is dragging just a little bit. So we've got a little bit of adjustment still. We got to get the regulator and everything just right. But basically it works. So that's proof that you can replace the power window motors in a GM truck, in a Silverado truck, about 1997, give or take. Up to probably 2014, I think, when they changed the body style. You can do it without replacing the whole regulator, guys, and you can save yourself a little bit of money. And why do you save a little bit of money? Well, the labor is about the same, but the part versus getting a complete regulator, window motor and everything, versus just getting the motor, you actually save quite a bit. So we proved that you can do it. I'm sure many of you have already done it, or you've got your way to do it. Well, this is how we decided to do it. So that's just the update, what's going on, and we've got something else happening. Why don't you come with me back here? If we hadn't got stuck up on this job, we got a little special surprise happening. There he is. We're going to sneak up on him. Come on out, little guy. Come on out. He's just waiting to finish, be uncrated, waiting to come on out. And if you're a Pontiac fan, you'll want to stay tuned for that, because we got something really big coming, really big. And yeah, so give us a like, comment, subscribe. You know, let us know what you'd like to see, because we've got multiple things on our shop truck. We've got my personal cars. We've got Little Boy Blue. We've got the Super Duty. We've got Papa Bear, Casper. Well, Casper's not mine. We've got the lead sled. We're getting ready for the Autorama, the 2025 Autorama, that is. And of course, we've got Project Woody. We've got the never-ending Buick that has its rust has rust, as you guys have seen. But we're making some good headway on it. And then, yeah, we've got our Tiger Cub initiative. We've got something. And what you just saw in the bed of the truck, oh yeah, you don't want to miss that. So anyway, that's the update on the latest that's happening. And I'm finally getting over the creeping crud, so we can get back in action and get back in the swing of things and make stuff happen. So be safe out there. Here's to the closing of 2024 and the beginning of 2025. Let's keep it positive. Let's keep it real. Let's make it happen, everybody. Thanks for watching SGR Performance. We will see you next time.